As more schools reopen to in-person lessons, the Department of Health still isn't publishing statewide data on school district COVID cases.
As we do look to rebound, Capitol reporter FORREST Saunders has been looking into this issue for several weeks now. He's joining us live from Tallahassee tonight with just what he's found. FORREST?
Yeah, and parents and teachers have really been worried about all of this, but if the state isn't going to step up and provide the data, Floridian you've probably heard of says she's going to do it herself. Last month, we told you how the state was mulling the release of COVID-19 case data for schools, saying in a very generalized statement, it's, quote, continuing to review and determine the most appropriate method. Fast forward a few weeks, those schools are reopening and cases are popping up, the health department still sending the same statement.
How can we make an informed decision on even the continuation of a school being open if there is not data to make those decisions from?
State Representative ESKAMANI told us in July those details are key for Florida's health and safety, but at the moment, officials seem to be relying on districts to inform parents and staff directly. A look at the big picture isn't available.
It definitely seems like public pressure is the only way that data will be released.
Pressure eventually pushed the state to give detailed info daily on Florida prisons and long-term care facilities, all of it easily found on Florida Health's website. While officials may yet remedy the absence of school data, one Floridian isn't waiting.
We really need some kind of tracking system.
Rebecca Jones, the former Florida Health employee ousted from her position, has partnered with Google and nonprofit FinMango to create a website called COVID Monitor. It aims to track cases not only in schools here, but across the nation, from kindergarten to college.
Pretty much everybody was like, this doesn't exist. This does not exist. And I was like, okay, well, let's build it.
The site sweeps up COVID data from across the web, press releases, news stories, info from health departments, and more. Includes taking anonymous tips from school teachers. The team then verifies details, looking for additional sources or contacting districts before making cases confirmed.
We make sure that we check the information that we're putting up there, which is, for me, one of the most important elements.
Jones was terminated from Florida Health after allegations the department was misrepresenting data earlier this year. Florida's governor later said the firing was for insubordination.
Yeah, it's a non-issue.
Jones has since become a public figure critical of the state's handling of the virus. Her website, she hopes, will provide clarity at a time when many are seeking answers.
We want people to know that this is a place they can go to, letting them say, hey, there is a resource out there for this.
Now, Florida Health is also getting criticized for changing the reporting of pediatric case data. The department recently switching from cumulative data daily reports to offering totals for the last 2 weeks. That's the latest out here at the Capitol. I'm FORREST Saunders reporting.